Exam Success's course on verbal reasoning aims to prepare you for this component of the exam. We do this by going through various tools such as tables and other techniques that we've developed to help you go through the question, assess it, quickly make decisions about which tools to use, apply those tools, and then get the answer correct. Plus, this course will help you because there are 1, over 100 practice questions, 2, detailed video explanations on how to solve problems, 3, step-by-step explanations from checking out the question all the way to answering it successfully. Additionally, the course will cover the following 12 checkpoints: introduction, conditional statements, relationship statements, ordering items, statements with true or false, translation of languages and codes, similar to similar meanings, classification of items, word rearrangement, letter patterns, final exam and exam strategy, and solutions to the exam. This course is meant to be self-contained and it includes both theory and practice. We have theory through things such as instructional videos, notes and images, and it's supposed to be including practice through practice questions. Because this course is organised in terms of checkpoints, you can progress through it at your own pace. You can go as slowly or as quickly as you like. If you ever need a refresher or to reinforce your knowledge, you can always go back to the checkpoint and revisit. You'll feel more confident because everything is explained in simple to understand terms. This means less confusion and greater understanding and better preparation for your exam. Here's a quick extra. So I'm going through question 28 of the New South Wales publicly available practice test for General Ability Test 1, and it's question 28. So this is a demonstration on the level of explanation that we aim to provide in our course, but our course will include original practice questions and illustrations developed by us. So, remove some letters from the word console. Rearrange the letters to make a word meaning to shut. Okay, this is the important part here. The remove letters are. So we're talking about remove letters. Sometimes in these questions they add letters or they take away letters. Okay, the first thing we need to do in approaching this question is to disregard something like this. So something like console should definitely be disregarded. The reason why you do that is what they do is they try and keep the word, try and have a bunch of letters within, I guess, a word so that your brain thinks and approaches it as a full word that needs to be amended. Try not to do that. Try, first of all, 1, to focus on what the word meaning to shut is. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is look at the word to shut. The easiest way to do that is to think of common words. So closed. There's no D, so we can take that out. So it would be closed, to close, because that is one of the words that means to shut, and that's the obvious one. So what is in there? The C, L. Let's go through the word console and take away the actual letters, okay? C, yes. O, yes. N, no. So we put that out. S, yes. O, the additional O is no. L, yes, and E. So what's definitely out is O and N. Okay, so that comes from C. So that's the answer. Okay, so in the exam, these exams, whilst they may seem difficult at the start, this is not, I guess, the most difficult question, what it does mean is it's actually meant to be done quickly and easily. Okay, so number 1 rule is to remember that you're looking at what the word meaning is first, okay, as opposed to looking at this. You use this only to tick off the letters, okay, alphabet letters, and then make sure that you're clear about what's removing and what's adding, because usually in an exam situation, people go through this without understanding whether they're adding or removing. Okay, so that concludes practice question 28. We hope you enjoyed this video, so please comment below or subscribe to get notified for new videos.